Hello. Have you ever played with magnets? They're like magic, but it's not really magic, it's science. So today, let's explore the fascinating world of magnets. Magnets are special objects that can pull certain metals towards them. This pulling force is called magnetism. Not all metals are attracted to magnets. Magnets are generally attracted to things made of iron, nickel, and cobalt. Magnets have two special ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. These poles are very important because they determine how magnets interact with each other. Now here's where it gets really interesting. If you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another magnet, they'll pull together. We say they attract. It's like the north and south poles are giving each other a big hug. But what happens if you try to put the north pole of one magnet near the north pole of another magnet, or the south pole near the south pole? They push away from each other. We say that they repel. It's like the two little poles are having a little argument and they don't want to get close. Magnets have an invisible area around them called a magnetic field. This is where the magnetic force lives. You can't see it, but it's there. If you put a magnet near a paperclip, the paperclip feels the magnetic field. It gets pulled towards the magnet. We use magnets all the time in our daily lives. They may be holding your artwork on the refrigerator, helping your headphones stay on your head, or even used in big machines. Magnets are even used to make electricity. So magnets are pretty amazing. They have this invisible force that can push or pull on other magnets and other certain materials. This helps us in many ways every day. Thank you for watching.